Hi everyone, in this lecture I will explain how can we use Jupyter Notebook in our codes. Let's begin our lecture. As you see my friend, we can use Anaconda Navigator to open Jupyter Notebook. You can click the launch button to open a Jupyter Notebook. My Jupyter Notebook is opening now. Yes, we have to select the folder first. I'm gonna select the desktop folder and Python for beginners folder. We can create new Python file in this folder. Click the new button and create a new notebook with Python 3. Here, this is the Jupyter Notebook code environment. We can change our Jupyter Notebook's name. So we can write Python basics. Okay, rename it. And we can write our codes here and we can get interactive outputs. So let's write something. 1 plus 2, shift enter. Yes, look at the output. Output is 3. We will use the shift enter shortcut to run this code and look at the output. We will use Jupyter Notebook in our codes and we will write some codes here, and when we push the shift enter button, our code will run and we can see our outputs here. There are so many shortcuts of Jupyter Notebook. I'm gonna explain in other lessons. So we will start some shortcuts. We will use B button and we can add some comment lines. We can add some headings in our part. We can change these code line to heading line. For example, we will use one button and we can write our title. I'm gonna write Python basics and shift enter. Yes, look at the title. We can add title by using 1, 2 or 3, 4, 6 number. We can delete lines by using D button, but you have to click 2 times. I'm gonna click first line by using D button. So I'm gonna explain other shortcuts in other lectures and we will use all of them in our course. In the next lecture, I'm gonna give some advices about learning a programming language and then we will write our first code in our Jupyter Notebook. See you in the next lecture.